Hey guys, I hope you are doing great. So guys, today I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about playavengers.com. So guys, if you are a die-hard fan of Avengers and wanted to seek information about it, then guys stay tuned with me, watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, you can easily watch the trailer of Avengers via the website. You can easily search out the ward table. Just stay connected and unlock in-game nameplates. You can easily claim rewards via the website, and there is a buy now option. The red color buy now option is there. You can click on it and you can easily buy it via this official website. You can expand to see all the unlocks available. The features are as follows. Plain original story option is there. Second feature is embrace your powers. And third is assemble online. So when we're going to talk about the first feature, that is in plain original story, we're going to see that as per the information, the game features iconic heroes as you have never seen them before, notable villains, recognizable location and awesome powers set in an original Avengers story. You're going to see that the same looks as an original story is going on. Second, you can easily unlock the powers you need to compete with a villain, and a unique gear for each of the Earth's mightiest heroes to suit your playstyle. Up to 4 players assemble online to defend the Earth from escalating threats that only the Avengers can overcome. So guys, when we talk about the game, there are many characters available in the game. Captain America is there, the most loved character of Avenger. So when we talk about the Marvel's Avengers, it is an epic third-person action-adventure game that combines an original cinematic story with single-player and cooperative gameplay. It assembles into a team up to 4 players online, master extraordinary abilities, customize a growing roster of heroes, and defend the Earth from escalating threats. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. When we talk about the characters, there are so many characters available. MS Marvel, the Khan Kamala, a whip-smart Pakistani-American young woman with an optimistic personality, fueled by a profound desire for positive change. Captain America is there. When we talk about the media, all the videos are available on YouTube. You can check out the videos about Avengers, patch notes. Marvel Avenger is here, the mission part 2, and it has already hit the digital world on September 4. Then guys, when we talk about the patch notes and important information, the first few days of early access. When we talk about the social media, you can follow their social channels where they will assemble the latest news and updates about them, including content reveal like outfits, emotes, gameplay and more about Captain America and Avenger characters. Connect with them so that you can hear your voice in order to gather feedback from the team, because feedback is very important for them. You can contact them on facebook.com /playAvengersGame, twitter.com /playAvengers, instagram.com /playAvengers, youtube.com /playAvengers. There are 4 social platforms in which they are available. The Earth's Mightiest edition is almost up to there. They are there on September 4. You can check it out and buy now. So basically guys, this has been developed by Crystal Dynamics and Edmonds Montreal development support provided by Nixxes. The Square Enix and the Square Enix logo are registered trademark of Square Enix Holdings. So guys, yes, Marvel's Avenger game is totally banging on the digital space. If you are one of the Marvel's fan, this game is definitely for you. So guys, yes, if you like our information and found it helpful, do share, comment, like, and for the latest news and updates, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for your warm time. We're going to meet you again. Till then, be safe and be informed.